Normally I would say cat piss, but I'm also seeing water moving up the baseboard, right there. Okay, so that stain that moves from here all the way over to here, which means a shitload of water. Okay, but the baseboard is dry. Ugh. Baseboard is dry. Baseboard is bone dry. I wonder if this is over. No, this is the outside of the house. Hey, this is that water in the basement, in the corner. Remember the very first one under the HRV unit? So I wonder if this is part of that adventure. I don't see any stainage coming in through the top. Brave people putting that much weight, unless these are empty. Oh, they're empty. Okay, so stainage. A little bit of, they don't drink beer by the sounds of it. So cat piss, even if that was cat piss stain, does it migrate up that high? That much? Like, what cat in his right mind is going to pee that much?